Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Kashmir Food Fusion. Click on the subscribe button here to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button to remain updated. Today we are going to show you how to make walnut chutney at home. This walnut chutney is served during the Vazwan and is one of my personal favorites. I'm sure you would want to make it at home and it's very easy. You can follow these very simple steps to make it at home. So first we have used 250 grams of the walnuts. These are without the outer cover. Then we've used half of the medium sized onion, 500 grams of yogurt. Then we have used cumin seeds. Then we've used 2 to 3 green chilies. And we've also used salt. The amount I will show you later while adding them. So first of all, we have to soak these walnuts in water for about 2 to 3 hours so that they leave their extra color and our chutney will be whiter. So here you can see that I'm placing these walnuts in water and I will keep it aside for about 2 hours, or you can keep it at least for 1 hour. So until then I'm placing this muslin cloth over a bowl and I will place the yogurt over it. We want to make the yogurt into a Greek yogurt or a strained yogurt. Therefore we are placing the yogurt over this muslin cloth and now we will hang it somewhere so that the extra water and weight leaves and we are left with thickened yogurt. Here you can see that the water has already started leaving. We will keep it aside for at least 3 hours. So after 2 hours you can see that the water has changed color and now we will strain it and we will use the walnuts. Here I am using this skin for walnuts. If you don't find it at home, you can use a blender, but of course, like I said in previous videos, your texture won't be same, though the taste will be exactly same. And now I'm adding these onions. I have added half medium sized chopped onion and almost 2 chopped green chilies and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira. And now you can see that I'm pounding them. And if you don't have time to do this and you don't find these things at home, you can use a blender. So you have to keep on pounding it until you get a fine mixture. This is a bit time consuming, but the texture and the taste that you get at the end, they're all worth it. So if you can do it in this, please follow these steps, and if you can't, then the easier way is to use a blender or a grinder. So you can see that the onions are breaking down and the walnuts as well. As I said earlier, I have used half medium sized onion, only half of it. Don't use a full onion because we don't want the flavor of onion. We just want to add half of it because that's how it's made during the Vazwan. And I've also added 2 chopped green chilies. Salt I'll add. I haven't added that yet. So here you can see that the texture is becoming better. Here you can see now I have added salt. You can add salt according to your own taste. I have added approximately 1 teaspoon until now, but you can add salt according to your own taste. I've added some salt again. Like I said, salt you should add according to what you want. So you can see that the walnuts, the onions and green chilies, they have formed a good mixture. This is exact recipe that is made in Vazwan. And after 3 hours you can see the yogurt, all the extra water has left and now we are left with this yogurt. And now we will add this mixture of yogurt to our walnut mixture. I'm again sprinkled some zira or cumin seeds for it and added some more salt. You can adjust the salt according to your own taste. Please don't ask me the quantity of salt used because that depends upon you. And now you have to mix it. You can use your hands as well if you want. Make sure that the yogurt gets mixed well. You should not add all of the yogurt at once because you're not sure what the consistency will be. So add it accordingly. If you want a really thick chutney, then don't add too much of it, but I've added all of the yogurt that I was left with. And you can see that I'm giving it a good mix, making sure that the walnuts and the yogurt get mixed together. And I can assure you that this recipe is from the Vaza, and it's absolutely the one that's served in the Vazwan, so it will taste great. You should definitely try this. And now I'm sprinkling some more cumin seeds or zira over its top. And your walnut chutney is ready. Please make this recipe, and you can eat this chutney. You can eat it as a snack, you can eat it as a side dish. It's a really good chutney and I'm sure you would enjoy it. Please make this recipe and comment below if you liked it. Thank you for watching this video.